All right, today we're going to bring a giant mouse pad, and this is a beautiful mouse pad. Instructions are included. You need to download an app, power, on and off switch, type C to type A. So we're going to test this guy out. But first of all, we're going to go into details of what's included, all right? Mouse pad, it's glass on the top. It's like a plexiglass or glass. You can see the thickness of it here. There is the actual power input in here, which is the type C. And it's a large square, if you guys can see that. This is a beautiful, beautiful large mouse that if you have the desk for it, might as well use it. If you're gaming, look at this. Everywhere. Mouse slides beautifully everywhere. So you don't have to worry about, any lags, anything hitting the actual pad or anything. It's made especially for that type of scenario. If you're gaming, graphic designer, or you're moving even Excel spreadsheets, this is a perfect mouse pad. Now we're going to take a look at some of the hidden features behind this mouse pad. All right, we just downloaded the app right now. We're going to add the device as soon as we get power on this system. All right, let's take a look at the actual app itself. All right, let's take a look at the gallery. We're going to go to the gallery. We see a bunch of different eyes in here. We could change them. Sending it over, blue eyes, all right. I like that the graphics are on the top. I thought they were going to be mostly all around, but they're covering most of the top. So we just changed it to blue. We're going to do the red ones. Look at that. Changing it automatically. Let me turn off the lights in here too. Leave the eyes how we have them. I like them. And you could change the speeds on with your remote. You could change the speed. So we're going to go back. All right, look at this. So because I'm a Laker fan, you could put pretty much all your favorite teams in here. To logo as a logo to your mouse pad. All right, so how you see it over here, and want to flip it because we want this to be the handrest, all right? You go into me, all right, on the app, all right? You go into me, you go into device info, all right? Under device info, it says vertical flip right here. If you guys can see that, vertical flip is in here. So what we want to do is flip the whole thing. See how it says Lakers now? Switch it around. If you want to turn it off, there's an off and on button here. You can turn it off if it's distracting, and it comes back to exactly where you're going to leave off, all right? And your handrest goes here, the laptop goes on top of it. It's a thick glass. It's not fragile enough, right? So you can put your mouse and move it around. Pixelations are protected with the 2 layers of it, so you don't have to worry about it.
Inside the territories, you can find supply bins that carry weapons and resources you will need to survive. Open one. Inside the supply bin, you will find a weapon and ammo. Arm yourself.